You know what? My project is ready.
So you're ready with your project?
Yes.
Then what next?
Well, I am just clueless about how to present it to the larger audience.
Rahul, why don't you present it in our college fest, that is consortium?
You know what? You're right. What is the protocol?
The team members should not exceed more than 2. And the video should not exceed 4 minutes. You need to explain everything in the video.
Where do I do all this?
Don't you know we do have our fest app?
Oh, okay.
That is IRE Fest.
Let me just
It is available in the Play Store. Go install it.
Yes. I'm bored.
IRE is coming up with a virtual fest called Spandana 2021.
So the IT department is conducting a mono acting competition.
The video should not contain any type of vulgar language and should not exceed more than 3 minutes.
And for further details on application and registration, please visit our app and download it.
Hello everyone. As we all are tired of with this pandemic, IARE has come up with an amazing idea to cheer up you all and conducting Spandana and Consortium 2K21 virtually. To make up your work more easy, we have also created an app called IARE Fest. What are you waiting for? Go download the app and register yourself. App is available in Play Store. I will tell you about one of the most important part of the event, that is paper presentation. This technical paper presentation is for all the branches and students can participate of all the branches. You can choose your topic respective to your own subject areas. Let me tell you a few rules of this presentation. Participants can participate in team, but team should not exceed more than 2 members. Your slides can be for about 10 to 12 slides. Like you can include 10 to 12 slides in your presentation, and your presentation should not exceed more than 4 minutes. Other 2 minutes will be given to the judges to ask their queries about your presentation. Last day for registration is 21st June. You have to send your PPTs by 21st June so that we will select the best PPTs and will call up on 24th for the final presentation. And from the final presentation, we will be selecting top 3 best presentation, and the top 3 presentations will be rewarded with exciting cash prizes. And all the participants will also be given a certificate from IRE which you can mention in your resume, which will be helpful for your placements. So this certificate will be an added advantage for your career. So don't waste up your time. Go prepare your presentations, register yourself, and all the very best.
Hi everyone, we know because of pandemic, we cannot physically interact campus space together. So, IIRE come up with a wonderful online learning opportunity to encourage us. And it is Spandana and Consortium 2021, which is going to be conducted virtually. As a part of, we have also created online application named IIRE Fest. This is app available in Play Store. We can have an access to it once you download it, and then will be register yourself in it. Now, I am going to mention one of the important event of this program, that is technical quiz. Now I will be telling about you the rules of the event and technical quiz. 1. Participants should be undergraduate engineering students from any discipline with a team of 3 members. 2. Team members from same or different disciplines are allowed. 3. Questions will be asked to each group. For each correct answer, you will be awarded with 10 marks. 4. That one thing you to be noted, there is no passing of questions to the next group. There are different rounds in technical quiz. There are round number 1, computer programming questions. Round number 2, engineering physics questions. Round number 3, power puzzle and linear algebra questions. Round number 4, basis of electrical and electronic questions. Round number 5, general knowledge questions. Round number 6, puzzle questions. Last day for the registration is 21st June. Quiz will be conducted on 23rd June. They will be given a Zoom link in your mails. So don't lose this opportunity in the participating of technical quiz, and you will be awarded with the cash prizes if you winning the event. And even a participation certificate is handed over to you, which is valued certificate for your career. So don't wait anymore and get registered yourself and in the quiz. All the best.
Hey
Hi, how are you all? Hope you all are good and fine mixed up with all the online classes, assignments, labs, exams, and we are also missing our friends, college memories, and all the fun and entertainment, right? Don't worry friends, our college has come up with the amazing fest which we are having every year, which is Consortium and Spandana 2K21 virtually to boost all of us. So what are you waiting for? Come participate in the event which you are interested in. And today I am here to give you brief about one of the interesting part of the event, which is drawing and painting competition. To make your work easier, IARE has came forward with an app called IARE First, where you can register yourself in an interested topic of yours, and this app is available in the Play Store. Let me tell you a few rules of our competition. Firstly, our theme of the competition is our culture and tradition. And next, you can make use of any type of the paper of your convenience, and it may be still life, landscape and portrait. And you can make use of pens, pencils, markers, oil paints, watercolors, etc. And the main criteria of the judgment is your theme of design, creativity, perfection and the presentation. Your video should not be exceeded 30 minutes and it should be uninterrupted. Among all the drawings, top 3 drawings will be selected by the judges, and those top 3 drawings or paintings will be given exciting cash prizes. And all the remaining participants will be given certificate of participation from IARE, which will be useful for your resume and it is included in your placements. So guys, cheer up and enjoy all the best. Thank you and all the best.
Lights, camera, action.
Hello guys, we the students of CSE department are conducting events on short film making and photography contests. This is a part of Consortium, the virtual technical fest of IARE. So we cordially invite you to take part in this great fest by registering yourselves and showcase your talent. Please share this information with your friends who are willing to participate in this short film making or photography contest and ask them to register ASAP. Do install and register in the IARE Fest app, and let's meet on 27th June of 2021 and showcase your talent in the virtual platform of IARE's first ever virtual technical fest. Do check the application in your Android device for rules and regulation. You can also contact any of the coordinators. We hope you, your friends, your relatives join this IARE Technical Fest 2021 and make this a grand success. Thank you.
Shot okay, cut.
Are you also feeling anxiety and stress due to the pandemic and current situation around us? Present your thoughts in the form of a poster about world after COVID-19. Where and how? IARE is conducting virtual Spandana and Consortium on 27th June 2021, which is our national level tech fest, wherein students can present and participate about their innovative skills. The rules for participating in the poster presentation are: 1. It is a solo event and the participant should be an undergraduate engineering student from any discipline. 2. The theme for the poster presentation, which I have discussed earlier, is about world after COVID-19. 3. Participants should send the poster of size 18 into 24 inches along with video demonstration of their poster. 4. The participants are given 3 minutes to present their poster and 2 minutes for queries. 5th, no commercial activities or advertising may be displayed on the posters. Non-compliance with this rule will result in the poster being removed from the competition. And 6th and last point is avoid using watercolors, which distracts and reduces the readability of your poster. And now you think where and how I should register for this? IARE has created an app called IARE Fest. Go download from Play Store and register now. Thank you.
Hi friends, here Suman from INL. Like me, everyone is bored, frustrated because of this pandemic situation. But don't worry, IARE is coming to entertain you through conducting Spandana Cultural Fest 2021 virtual. Here IARE is giving a beautiful opportunity to show your talent through this event. I'm going to tell you about the 2 events, one of the nail art, second Mehndi. The participants should follow some guidelines for the all events. For the nail art, is like you have to record the video in a horizontal mode good quality, and second, the video length is 5 to 10 minutes. The judgment on the basis of color management, originality, creativity, overall impression. For the Mehendi, participant can apply on own path. Second, the video length is 20 to 30 minutes. All this rule regulation you can check in the portal Spandana 20. To make easy for all of you guys, we have an app IARE Fest. You can download from the Play Store. Participants should be first register and upload the video. The last date of submission is 21st June. For the winner will get the cash prize and rest of the participant get the certificate. Don't waste your time. Download the app and upload your video.
ABC. Alert for bridge mockup and consortium. A bridge? Why not? A bridge has connected people, cities, and even nations. On a practical level, bridge has also benefited us with so many ways. So why not build a bridge sitting home? Wondering how? IARE Civil Department is here with an event called Bridge Mockup, where you can build your own bridge by just sitting home. Sounds fun, isn't it? For this, all you've got to do is get ready yourselves with some ice cream sticks and some glue. Each ice cream stick should be of length 11 centimeters, breadth 1.2 centimeters, and thickness 0.2 centimeters. You can use only glue to bind all your materials, and no other binding material can be used. The weight of your bridge should be around 250 grams or even less. The aesthetics and the good usage of material will help you score better. The bridge should be of height 15 centimeters with a clearance span of 60 centimeters. The efficiency of bridge is calculated as the ratio of ultimate load capacity and the bridge weight. Later, you must hang the loads ranging from 1 kg and even more until a deformation is observed. All of this has to be done in the given time limit. Exciting, right? So please join us and make the event successful.
Hi everyone, as we are all fed up with this pandemic, so the IARE comes with a stunning idea to cheer up all by conducting Spandana and Consortium 2K21. So virtually to make your work more easier, IARE has created an app that is IARE Fest. So what are you waiting for? Go and download the app, and now it's available on Play Store. Now let me tell you about the important and the most beautiful part of this event, that is pot painting. Pot painting is the most important and beautiful thing in this world. It is the one which teaches us the relation between the man and the soil.
The rules of this pot painting. The first rule is it is a solo event, and the second thing is that all materials like a paint brush should be bought by the participants, and the plain brown, grey, white pots to be used in this competition. The maximum height of the pot should be 10 inches, and only clay and earth pots to be used in this competition. So I know that the only participant video should be 30 minutes in a continuous mode without any editing. The decision of the judges will be the finalized, and all the branches and students, the last date of registration is 21st June. So you have to provide your video by 21st June, and we will select the top best paintings, and we will be resulted in 24th June, and we call up you on 24th June for the finalized results, and the top best paintings are rewarded as exciting cash prizes. I know that you will join with us. So I remember you that let's make something special, and let's make a magical moment from our college. Thank you.
Hi everyone, lockdown has put halt many things, not certainly to my hair. We cannot go outside, we need to stick at our homes, play some music. Play some music. You know, at lockdown we started to hum and we discovered ourselves as a new singers, but Do you think it's a better idea to stick at home or to go outside and play? And we are listening to new songs. So what if we have an event to play some songs and just chill out with our friends?
So, IRE has come up with a virtual consortium which is Spandana Cultural Fest 2021. In that, we have Antakshari also.
So the rules are:
Rule number 1. The participant should be undergraduate engineering student of any branch with a team of 3 members. And the rule number 2. Only Telugu and Hindi songs are allowed in this competition. Rule number 3. No song can be repeated.
Rule 4. You have to guess the first line of the song or the lyric, and it has to be original one because people doesn't like fake one, right? Rule 5 and 6 states that you need not be judgmental on the other person and it has to be a fair play. Rule 7 states that it has 5 rounds of different modes.
Play Antakshari and make fun around. So what are you waiting for? Install IARE Fest app, which is available on Play Store, and you can join with us. So for more details, you can contact us.
Hi guys, this is Sahiti.
This is Ramya.
This is Sanket.
Hi, I'm Avinash.
We are all from ECE department. Hope you guys are safe and healthy. You guys must have been bored this lockdown, passing all the time while binging series and attending classes. You must be missing your friends and the fun moments, right?
Yes, but now it's not the time to stay the same because IARE has been come up with an innovative idea where we can entertain ourselves by sitting at home by conducting an virtual events like Consortium, the Technical Fest and the Spandana 2021.
Yeah, where you can build your competitive spirit, have fun with friends, make new memories virtually. I hope all the students will participate enthusiastically and make this event a big success.
Right. Interested? Then download the app from IARE Play Store. I'll show you the procedure on how to download the app from IARE Play Store. The app from the Play Store. Type IARE, then select for the IARE Fest and download the app from the Play Store. Once downloading the app, we have a procedure to register yourself into the app. So here we have these. We have to register with our name, email address, mobile number, institution name, roll number, department, and set a password. And after this, we have to register this. After registering, we'll get a link to our mail, and we have to verify that. After verifying, I'll show you how the procedure is and how the homepage looks like. See, this is a home page where you have a separate column called events. Go into the events and select paper presentation or from Consortium 2021 and elocution from Consortium. We have an event called Antakshari, which is in the column, which is in the section of Spandana 21. Select paper presentation for an example. Scroll down, you'll have an option called register it. Coming to Consortium, the Technical Fest, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department is organizing an event called Elocution. The rules for this event is, it is a solo event and the participant should be an undergraduate engineering student from any discipline. The topic for this event is Women Empowerment through Engineering Education. The video should have a maximum of 3 minutes length.
Now coming to the precautions for the event, we should maintain noise-free and clear voice while recording the speech, and the speaker in the video should have a formal dress. Offensive and any misleading information is to be avoided in the video, and we should maintain sufficient light while recording.
The event faculty coordinators are Dr. Vijay Vallabhuni sir from EC department and Mrs. Adita madam from EC department.
Now coming to the student coordinators, they are Ms. Pravalika from ECE second year and Mr. Aditya Samir from ECE third year.
Now moving to Spandana 2021, our ECE department is conducting an event called Antakshari. The rules are, participants should be undergraduate engineering student from any discipline with a team of 3 members, and only the Telugu and Hindi songs are allowed. No song can be repeated in a competition. and all the team members have to sing a first line or a lyric.
All team members are required to sing the original lyrics, at least 2 lines. All team members are advised to play healthy game, not using the unofficial words like judgment statement. And there will be 5 rounds of different modes. Coming over to the event coordinators.
The faculty coordinators are Mr. Khadir and Ms. Shravana.
The student coordinators are Mr. Vardhan and Mr. Jayan.
Thank you. We hope you will all participate in this event.
Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best for all the participants.
This pandemic, sitting alone in the house, is very boring. Let me call my friend.
How are you?
Worse than ever.
Why?
Just look at our situation. Online class, assignment, online exam. I just feel so empty.
Then why don't you try doing something interesting?
Interesting? Seriously? That too sitting at home?
Come on, don't tell me you haven't heard about the fest yet.
Do you really think Technical Fest is any other different from our daily college life? Wait, online college life.
Not talking about the technical fest though. Did you hear about the event Spandana? Every branch in a college is conducting a non-technical event. Talking about our branch, Civil Engineering Department is conducting a singing competition.
Singing? Wow, that sounds interesting.
Do you know what's more interesting? The cash prize.
Okay, just tell me how it works.
Oh, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is make a video of you singing and then give it to the auditions. Out of all the videos collected, a few of them will be selected and sent to the final round. In the final round, the judges will see you sing live and select the winners.
Maybe we can do auto-tuning for the video?
No, you have to make a video singing with your natural abilities and skills. No shortcuts.
Okay, then where should I register for my competition and whom should I send my video?
Oh, it's even more simple. It's even easy. Our college has created a special app for it called the IARE Fest. It is available in the Play Store.
I found it.
Cool, there you are.
I'll do it here.
Well, go on.
Okay, after downloading the app, you have to register yourself by clicking register. Then you have to give all the details. And if you are already registered, just sign up. You'll get all the information about other events. Singing in Spandana sounds great. Okay, now let me say bye.
But why?
I got to do my video.
Okay, bye. What are you guys waiting for? Make yours as well. We'll see you in the final round.
Hello all. Welcome to Institute of Aeronautical Engineering's National Level Virtual Student Tech Fest Consortium 2021. These tough times, these COVID times has made us fall. They questioned us. They had tested our abilities. But for the one who is very resilient and ready to adapt, it has opened a pool of opportunities. I can confidently say IARE has been resilient through these tough times, and also it has adapted quickly to the virtual way of conducting classes. And hence, this has opened us a very new opportunity of conducting our every year's technical fest through a virtual platform. And this virtual technical fest is one of its kind. So be the change, be the believer, get ready to enjoy this virtual enchantment. How can you be the change? By participating in the events, By projecting your ideas, the world is looking at you. Show your skill. Puzzle the people with your thought complexity by participating in these events. And one way to present everyone, to show everyone your social skills is by participating in the event called elocution. And the details of the event are as follows. It has to be a solo event, and the participation can be an undergraduate of any discipline. And the topic is women empowerment through engineering education. The video should be short and crisp. It should be of 2 to 3 minutes. Maintain a noise-free and clear environment, and the speaker in the video should be of formal dress. Offensive and misleading information is to be avoided. Maintain sufficient light while recording. This is one of the best way to show your social skills, to show your public speaking skills. So, what are you waiting for? We are waiting for your participation. Download the IIRE Fest app and register yourself for this event.
Hey guys, I hope everybody are doing good. I'm here with the sensational news that our IIRE is conducting the virtual annual fest, that is Consortium and Spandana 2K21. So I'm here to brief you about the Spandana Rangoli event. Let me first explain you about the Rangoli event's rules. So your Rangoli art should not exceed 3 feet in height and 3 feet in width. The main theme of this event is Save the Girl Chain. The participants has to see that the surface is maintained clean, and Rangoli should be only hand-drawn only, and edited photos are in any way not eligible for the event, and participants can use color powder, flower petals, sawdust, pulses and any other fillings. Maximum only one participant is eligible to be participated in this event, and the participant has to make sure that the video is uninterrupted and the duration of the video is not more than 30 minutes. And yes, these are the rules to be followed by the participants. And I want to remind you that Rangoli is said to be one of the finest arts by Indian women. So why late? Register as soon as possible. Here's another exciting fact that we are also giving exciting cash prizes to the winners. I would like to conclude this with a quote: alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. So let us together unite and make this event very successful. And don't forget to install your app, IIRE Fest app from Play Store, and register as soon as possible. All the best to each and everyone, and thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm from ECE department. Hope you all are safe and very healthy. This pandemic has been very challenging for all those who really want to be social and outgoing. I'm sure everyone out there is very tired of binging the web series and watching the same old films. But to make your time the better use, IIRE has come up with conducting the Cultural Fest virtually. That is Spandana 2K21 and Consortium 2021, including activities like paper presentation. So for all those who are interested, you can register, and for the extra information, you can download the application created by the IIRE called IIRE Fest.
For the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, some of the paper presentation topics include microwave communication, radar signal processing, visual speech processing, and deep neural networks for speech recognition. The event is scheduled on the 24th of June, and the restrictions and the rules are as the participants must be undergrad students from any engineering course, and the entry is limited to 2 students per team, and multiple entries will not be given to any participant. The presentation has to be concluded in 10 to 12 slides. It has to be submitted by the 21st of June, and on the day of the event, 4 minutes will be provided to the participants for their presentation, and 2 minutes is provided for the questioning by the judges, if any, and there is no restriction on the number of teams from a particular college. So please invite all your friends and make sure you take advantage of this great opportunity that IIRE has given us.